Can't believe I just figured out why the hummingbird is hanging out, especially in this area here. I heard him chirping, making his little nut sound, and I realized, look at all these flowers. They love these flowers. There's very few flowers this time of year because it's almost winter. It basically is, you know, it's the 1st of December, and they're taking food from these nectar from these flowers here. The hummingbirds, they love this. Look at these flowers. Birds are also coming and eating the seeds out of them, other birds. But the hummingbirds just come get the nectar. I could hear them chirping over here, making a little noise. That's why they come over here. They have plenty of food. It keeps them here and makes them happy. The big tree here kind of hides the flowers, and the birds can sneak over there. It's kind of sometimes a love-hate relationship because I like the birds to come, but I don't like it when they get into my fruit. So I keep my fruit covered up best I can. Hummingbirds, on the other hand, are not damaging to any of the fruit. They never do anything to the fruit or vegetables, anything. They just pollinate. So that's kind of benefit of having them around. I can hear them. There's our little friend, little hummingbird. We love those flowers. Some of the few flowers that are around this time of year. Today's December 1st. This variety of hummingbird always stays in Las Vegas. They don't leave, except unless it gets really, really cold. If it gets really, really cold, they will leave. Other than that, they stay. All the others are gone. They're already migrated down south to Arizona or California or even Mexico. And bees are there too. I can't get him very good here, so I'll try to get a different angle, but there we go. It's a good sign to see bees around, especially this time of year when it's cold. I didn't even know these flowers were here, so just a couple days ago. I mean, I know there's shrubs here, but I looked through the fig tree and I could see them. The leaves were kind of blocking the view. See how the leaves starting to fall now? Come on, little guy. Get what you like while you can. I love watching hummingbirds. It's a lot of fun. It's relaxing. And I like what they do for our flowers too. Okay, you still there? They don't migrate until it gets really cold. If it gets really cold, they'll leave, but otherwise they stay here. This is their home, Las Vegas.